Hey guys, okay, so what I have here in front of me is a 16 by 20 inch canvas by Got Ideal. There will be a link to the Amazon, there'll be an Amazon link below in the video description box. These canvases were sent to me to give them a try. This is not my usual size canvas. I usually prefer a wider deep edge canvas over a thin canvas, but they seem to be fairly nice in quality, and their link will be in their description box, and you can pick up some on Amazon. They have some bundle packs that you can select from in various sizes, and like I said, the link is below if you're interested to giving them a try. So I'm just taping off the back of the canvas because I want to keep that nice and clean, and I will then come in and spray the back of the canvas, and I spray it with water, and then I run my hand across it, and I'll use some cups to prop it up. So here it is, and I spray the water on it so that it sounds like a drum, so it gets nice and taut. Alright, we're going to put this right here. And I am using leftover colors from my World Earth Day pour. And I have a couple of cups here, and we're gonna layer or put some of these cups, I'm gonna layer these cups with some of these paints, which I don't think they're going to layer very easily. So what will happen is they'll end up being more of a dirty cup pour. And I wanted to do something with the beach, and then the sky, or the beach and the ocean, and we'll just see how it comes out because I've never done one before. But I have the colors that will potentially support that. So this is iridescent fine gold. And I have some Naples yellow. So that will be the sand. Prussian blue with some metallic turquoise, and I'm going to add a little bit of gold in there. And some white. Come in with my green. Blue Black by PBO. And this is Blue Topaz by, what was it? Treasure Gold Series by Folk Art. Now this one I'm going to work with the turquoise first. the rest of the blue topaz. And green. All right. So those are my cups layered. I'll keep the white a little close. Okay. Yeah. I'm so nervous. I haven't done this before, so I'm like really concerned on how I'm gonna, well, I'm gonna come in and all right. Okay, now for the blues. I'm coming with this here. Doesn't quite look like a beach. And I'm just going back and forth. I think that's where I'm going to end and stop. We're going to take our gloves off and I'm going to take you guys in just a moment. All right, guys, so here is the final piece. Let me turn off that light. And it sort of looks like sea foam across sand with all the beautiful blues as the water. But then when I looked at it in the perspective that you guys are able to see it while it's videoing, I came around here and it almost looks like a sunset or a sunrise with all of the blue as the water or whatever you see it might be to you. But I thought these were really cool down here. They look like little, I don't know, flowers or who knows? I don't know. But I love this landscape, and it was a lot of fun to do with leftover paints. I've never tried to do it, and there we go. So listen, the Got Ideal canvases are very nice. If you guys are interested in trying them out, they held up very well. And the video below in the video description box is the link to the Amazon store, or the product link for that matter. And then what else? I don't know. As a dried piece, they did dry very well. I had made a video a couple weeks ago, but unfortunately my video was corrupted. We have since fixed that issue. I've had a couple issues with videos recently. Yeah, so they dry nicely. They paint well. They don't warp. So if you're interested in giving them a try, they do sell bundles of 6, various sizes. I think the largest is 16 by 20, in which this one was a 16 by 20. But yeah, down below video description box is the link to Got Ideal canvases, and give them a go. Hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for joining me. Bye.